To make a character, first type on Google classcraft student login and click on the classcraft. Okay, my computer is slow. Okay. Now please choose signed up down there. And since you're student, choose student. And then choose the account that you want to use to sign up. For example, Google, and type the code that I gave you. Just type the code. Okay. And click start. Now you're signed up to the classcraft. Choose the Google account that you want to use and allow the classcraft to make connection to your email. Okay, here you go. Now, there are three kinds of character. Choose one. So if in your team, there will be different character. So decide within your team. In here, I'll choose the warrior and click next. And then choose the kind of face that you want to have as a character or avatar. Next, and then choose the power. Okay. Actually, there should be an explanation below the power, what protect means, what first aid means, and choose the one of the three. Next, and then choose your teammate. Okay. Okay, I was messed up. It's supposed to be team one. And click next and choose the background that you want to have. But make sure that the background and the crest are the same for all of your team. And then now it's time to put your birthday. And voila, your character is ready. Here is an example on the power that you have. So I chose protect, and protect means the warrior can take up to 10 damage instead of their teammate. So it means something. That's it.